just goes into circles and goes around the place. Yeah, we come out that way.
Yeah.
Follow this place, man.
Yeah, this is where we come in.
Yeah.
Then we come down and we went that way, didn't we? I'm lost.
Same here, mate.
Just keep left and you'll find your way out.
We've got to make sure we've got everything.
Always follow the left or the right walls, and you always find yourself.
I think it's sort of great at the top, it's strange, ain't it?
It's unusual, definitely.
It's got cross tunnels as well, you know what I mean? So. I'm surprised I've got any actually. It's quite tight. You know, a cross tunnel. A cross tunnel.
Cross tunnel?
It goes across.
Oh, right.
These are main tunnels. These are. They go to one. They go to one side of the tunnel to the other. Bit like the ones in Dover. He's never been to these Tower Hamlets one.
Who?
Tower Hamlets one.
Oh.
Why does it say
Can't wait, mate. You're going to enjoy that. That one. Normal cross tunnel.
No, it's nice.
This one's corrugated though. It's mad. You can tell it's government, isn't it? Because all the private ones are all solid concrete. You wouldn't know this is around here, mate, unless you... That's mad. All this is underground. Wow. I don't think we went through here. RW died tonight. Wow. Yeah, we did go in here. Yeah, we did go in here. That big pipe again. I wonder how long it took them to do this.
I don't know, mate. It's, I'm guessing there's a...
Water tank hanging up in the ceiling.
Somewhere there is, yeah.
How deep is that one? How deep is it?
It's about a foot over.
That's not that deep.
There's also a...
It's all of it, yeah?
Done this, we've done it, mate.
It's all of it, yeah?
We've done it.